Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise Mackey Art, and welcome to the channel, and I'm going to be diving straight in. So I'm diving right in here. I'm doing another Lazy Susan. I'm going to stop with that because the last couple times I did it, I was way over exuberant on the paint. And I really would like to have this one come out with negative space. So that's where we are. Okay, so I've got my colors. I'm going to call my colors out as I go. I've got my 24 karat gold. Let's lay that bad boy down. And I just used this color palette the other day to make coasters, and it came out really pretty. And this is a palette that I've used before. And this Lazy Susan is a commission for somebody who bought a tray already in the same color scheme. Oh, there's my stomach going crazy. Okay, so that's the Nickel Gold by Golden. This is my combination Artminds. What is it? Aqua Antigua with some Oxide. Oxide White by Golden. This is my DecoArt Sky Blue Topaz. I'm getting near the end of it. This is Extreme Sheen Sky Blue Topaz. Hope you can hear me okay. I know you're farther away this time. I want to get a lot of the blue down here. Oh, amazingly, my heart is not beating through my head. All right, and this is my Anthraquinone Blue by Golden. And I really want this to show up. I'm going to give a little extra boosts in here. Little extras. And this is a transparent color. Okay, so now I've got my brand new freshly mixed cell activator. Now I don't know if this has ever happened to anybody, and I don't have I'm not going to show you right now, but I went to make this new fresh cell activator, and my pre-stained wood conditioner had like separated, and it like had like a film, like fat or something on the top, and it would not reconstitute, so I had to go out and buy new stuff. So fortunately my Lowe's has it, so that was good, for like $16. So here is the consistency of this fresh batch, new can. Let me show you the black. Nice bungee. All right, let's drop some of that on there. Now, I'm going to get myself set up over here. I got my step stool. I'm going to blow down here. So I'm going to get my cell activator on there, and I'm going to, here's my Berta. I'm going to blow it out initially on high and cool down the center, and then I'm going to put the adapter on and blow it out from there. All right, let's get going. Let's get the white down. errant bloopy drop. There's the black. Okay, let's see what we get. High and cool. So it's here I decided to take the concentrator off because I think it's going to blow out better with just the hairdryer itself. And right here, I couldn't get the cell activator to flow over the top of the paint. I think I had the hairdryer set too far forward. Okay, we'll stop with that. Wish I had a little more blue over there. Let's see. See if I can blow some of this out a little bit. Actually, you know what? It's not that bad. Okay. Just give it just a little spin. Normally I'll be spreading it out to the sides, but I just want to see what happens if I don't. I want to have negative space. Hold on, folks. It's already coming over the edge. Woo. Let's spread it around. Share the wealth. I'm being very patient with this one. Like I say, I want to have negative space. So just let it spread out. I know it's still going to go over the edges anyway, as it is over here. Okay. Just wish I had a little more balance to this. Here it comes, all the extra. Let's get some over here. cleaning up the edges. I think I might need to add some blue over here on that right side because it's vacant. And I have the bottom covered, taped, and covered up completely. And I'll be resining this when it's done. Okay, now let's take a look at this thing. So everyone, I'm going to pick up the pace here, and after I got done washing my hands, it just really struck me how that one quadrant was missing blue. So I went ahead and just dabbed my palette knife into the blue and added some. And you'll see, didn't make a whole lot of difference. And in thinking back on the tray I'm trying to have it go with, it kind of goes with it almost perfectly, because that tray also was kind of blue on one side and gold on the other. So anyway, for the next few minutes here, I'm going to be spinning, cleaning up a lot of paint that goes over the edge, and spinning some more, looking at the composition as I go, always trying to keep in mind to maintain some of the negative space that I am able to keep by the end. And let's see, what else is there? The other thing I wanted to mention is that, again, I realized how much extra paint I still had on this. I could go with a third less pillow paint as I did to start with. And if I had done that, I would have kept the composition more intact and probably would have preserved more negative space as well. So that is a lesson learned for the next time, to not be worried about the paint spreading, because it'll spread. And also, in keeping it more tight, I would have probably preserved more negative space. So you can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut this off and turn on some music, and I'll meet you when I need to talk again. So right through here I do a lot of cleaning up, so I'm just going to skip ahead. I got a lot of cells in here. Oh my gosh. My blowout was not great. But the lacing and the cells are phenomenal. And this is with my American Floetrol cell activator. There you have it, folks. I'll do a flyover in a second. We're going to call that done, and I will have you back in a second to give you the full disclosure. Okay, everyone, so here's the flyover. And in the end, I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. It's just about a dead ringer match for the serving tray I've already created. So if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get all my latest art tutorials, comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And I'm going to link above the playlist for other Lazy Susans. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. We'll see you next time.